Hey, what's going on, everybody? What do you guys think? I just want to tell you guys real quick. What do you guys think about the Sleep Act? Like, are you guys serious about this? I'm just surprised. Like, they're saying the mufflers and the muffler shop's going to be closed down. Like, is that true? If that is, their business is going to go down. If that goes down, where are they going to get the tax money from? See what I'm saying? How it rolls into all money and revenue and everything for everybody that goes in a circle, like a cycle. I don't know. So what about if you got a loud car? I heard they give you a ticket by decimals point and shit like that. I don't know. That's just hectic. I think people have to go out and enjoy their lives. What about like, let's say you got a Lamborghini or you got a Jaguar with all those loud pops and everything. That's like stock exhaust. It's not even modified. So what about that? They gotta pay a ticket every time they leave their driveway, their house. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below if you guys know something about this. Like, is it only New York City or is it everywhere else, like Long Island, or like, like, let's say Ohio? I know some people in Virginia and Pennsylvania. Is that like every state, or is it just New York? I don't know. But comment below what you guys think. Would you? I don't think so. Whenever I get my new car, new Accord, if I'm going to get one, most likely I am. But I'm going to modify it. I don't care about that Sleep Act. Who does that? If we got to work freaking day and night, to live here. And New York is the most expensive place, so I don't think you need sleep aid there. You just need to work hard, hustle, and enjoy your life. City never sleeps, right? So why the Sleep Act? It doesn't make sense, guys. It's all, I don't know. I can't say much about this, but I completely disagree. What do you guys think? Comment below. I'm definitely gonna keep my car loud. I don't care. I'm just gonna enjoy my life. I'm not gonna live by other people's decisions and stuff like that. But it is what it is. We'll see how it goes from there. It's just not cool, I think. That's not like freedom, I would say. It's like freedom being taken away from the young people, I would say, and people who got exotic cars. So if you guys could agree, smash the like button, subscribe, and I got a video coming out soon with the front lip installation that you're never gonna lose anymore, because the way I got it set up is legit, professional, and you guys could do it yourself. Why? Because I made the video step by step for y'all. All right, so make sure you guys join as well. If you go on your laptop or your PC, it might not work on Samsung. I don't know if it does, but iPhone, I think it does not. Or you could just go on your iPhone or Samsung, your main browser. You're logged into your account, your YouTube channel account, and just go to my channel account, like RedLineMods, and you will see a join button when you see the full website. But the easiest way, honestly, just go to your PC or your laptop, sign in. You'll probably be signed in already anyways. Just go to my channel. On the right side by subscription, on the right side is going to say join. Hit the join button. That supports me a lot, and you'll become a member, and I'll be doing awesome giveaways for my members as well, not just to the whole public, 11K subs and so on. I'll do it for them as well here and there, but I also want to do stunning giveaways for my subscribers that are joined into my members as well, just by hitting that join button. And that's it, guys. Really appreciate your support. A lot of people have been inspired through my channel, and yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned and let me know what you guys think, honestly, about the Sleep Act. I don't know if that's going to be effective. Like, people are getting tickets. Did you get a ticket? Comment below.